The level menu is where you'll perform tests on individual channels. This menu provides the most information about a particular channel. Whether you're measuring over-the-air TV channels or cable TV channels, the menu looks identical. The title bar tells you what mode you're in, and the second soft key changes the mode. Let's measure a particular cable TV channel 30. I'll connect my cable TV coax. I'll select cable TV mode, which is already selected, and now I'll pick channel 30. You'll see that channel 30 is locked, the padlock symbol is closed. The power level is in dBmV, the signal to noise, the modulation, in this case 256 QAM, and the pre and post bit error rates. You're mostly concerned with post bit errors. Those are bits that cannot be repaired and will show up as tiling or noise on the TV. Now let's measure a particular over-the-air channel 29. I'll connect my over-the-air antenna. I'll go to ATSC mode, and I'll pick channel 29. In this case, you'll see the power is measured in dBm because this is an over-the-air TV signal. You'll see the padlock is closed and we are locked. All United States over-the-air TV channels will have a modulation of 8 VSB, and you can see the pre and post bit error counters. You'll also notice that the word amp is illuminated. This is indicating that the SignalScout is using an amplifier to maintain this high quality signal. We are some 60 miles away from an antenna, so you can see our power level is very low, but we're still receiving a good quality signal. Notice the compass is listed in the upper left, and you can activate a speaker in the upper right. This is most useful when aligning an antenna with this mode.